Can you do that thing with your hands where you go opposite? Not that, but opposite. Opposite. So this is it, make or break day for the Honourable Frenchman. That's maybe a touch dramatic, but the old boy's having his MOT today. So we'll see how he gets on. I think he should be fine. The things I've done or had done that are MOT-able, we've had the tyres changed to some, as some people on TikTok rather derogatorily called them, some ditch finders. That's a bit excessive. Some Falcons. So we've had that done, they should pass fine. I've serviced it. The only thing from that they'll look at is the brakes. They should be fine, pads and discs. The one thing that I'm slightly not worried about, I think it'll be fine, but is the repair I did to the windscreen. From what I can make out, the 290 mil in front of the steering wheel, straight up in a straight line. If there's anything bigger than a centimetre crack or chip in the windscreen, then that's a fail. Everywhere else is 4 centimetres, up to 4 centimetres, but that's not. I think it should be absolutely fine. As far as I know, all the lights are okay. I should have maybe done a pre-flight check on those, but I didn't. Can't remember any bulbs being out anyway. That should be fine. For the thumbnail on this video, I'm using a picture that I took the other night at sunset, and if you've not seen that video, that's quite a cool video actually. Those pictures turned out really well from that. I shall link that at the end if you're interested. Right, we're almost at the MOT testing centre. I'll fill you in on the results a bit later on. Ah! So, about an hour later, done and dusted, passed with flying colours, no advisories, no nothing, which is fantastic. So, I'll link a couple of videos at the end of this, which will show you some of the things I've done to the car. Done to the van, should I say, to make it advisory free. But until the next one, I'll see you soon. Cheers.